Duffel bag, backseat.
This tip is for sensitive noses and how you can help a child manage smell aversions. This tip focuses on what accommodations you can make to help your child better manage the smell of cooking or being at the dinner table when there is an aversive scent. So one very simple accommodation is, if your child is old enough, teaching them how to open a window so that way they gain a sense of control in terms of helping lessen the smell intensity. Or you, if your child is too small, of course, can just open the window yourself and help that smell dissipate a bit so that the intensity is not as strong. Hopefully with a lower intensity, this will help desensitize your child more because they are not getting in a situation where the full and strongest amount of the scent is present. So if you haven't tried opening a window using a trick like that, I would definitely give it a whirl. And again, if your child is old enough, give them that sense of control and teach them how to just open that window so that they can have a sense of control and reduced anxiety around aversive scent.
In my mind. You're a drive real slow.